Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Android Alert Dialog with custom layout. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We will give a name to the project and language Kotlin. First, we will create the layout file for the Alert Dialog. We will right click in the layout folder, then new layout resource file. File name my custom alert dialog. In the layout file, we are creating a text view and a button. On clicking the button, we will close the alert dialog. In the main activity, we are creating a method show my alert dialog with custom layout. Inside it, we are first creating an instance of alert dialog builder. Then we are getting custom view by using layout inflator.inflate and then setting the view in the alert dialog builder by using alert dialog builder.setView. Then getting alert dialog from alert dialog builder by using alert dialog builder.create and then alert dialog.show. We are getting the close button reference from the view by using find view by ID, then setting on click listener in the close button and inside set on click listener alert dialog.dismiss. Now we will go to the main activity layout file and there we are creating a button on clicking of which we will display the alert dialog. In main activity on create method, we are getting the reference of the button open alert dialog and we are setting on click listener on the button. And from set on click listener, we are calling the method show my alert dialog with custom layout. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking the button open alert dialog will show. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.